Today I am going to teach you how to find the distance formula between 2 points in a coordinate plane. This is a coordinate plane. Coordinate plane is where the coordinates are there, where you locate the points. Okay, in the coordinate plane, the horizontal reference line we call it as x-axis, and the vertical reference line we call it as a y-axis. So in this I did not extend it like this. You can extend also. If you want, you can extend also. So these number lines, these x-axis, y-axis are nothing but number lines. Using these numbers, we will locate the points and also we will find the distance between the 2 points. So horizontal distances always we measure from x-axis. For example, this is the line PQ. PQ is the distance. This is a horizontal line. We can measure from this. For example, this point is say 3 and this is 7. So the distance of the length of PQ is 7 minus 3, because this is 3 and this is 7. This part is 3 because this is a number line. So 0 is here, this is 3 units and this is 7 units. So 7 minus 3, PQ is 4 units. So horizontal distances can be measured using x-axis. In the same way, if it is a vertical distance, you can use it by say this is the PQ. This is a vertical distance, PQ, and we use say this is 4 and this is say this point is 2, let us say, otherwise 1.5. So this vertical distance we will measure from the vertical axis. So this is 4 and this is 4. So 4 minus 1.5, which is equal to 2.5, is the length of a PQ. So when there is a vertical distance and when there is a horizontal distance, it is very simple. You can directly measure from x-axis and y-axis. Remember that x-axis is a number line, y-axis is also number line. Now the problem comes when it is not vertical, when it is not horizontal. For example, A is here, B is here. Now this A and B, the length of A and B, how to find out? So this A and this B, it is not a horizontal line, it is not a vertical line. So you cannot use this directly from y-axis and x-axis. So in these cases, we have to use a formula, that is distance formula. So that distance formula, how do we get it? How do we prove it from the coordinate plane? We are going to learn now. So whenever you have a distance like this, these are the coordinates. You can keep something. Let us say this is x1 and y1. So that means this point is y1 and this point is x1. So this location is x1, x1 is on x-axis, y1 is on y-axis. So B is x2, y2, x2 is on x-axis and y2 is on y-axis. So now we know the coordinates of A, x1, y1 are the coordinates of A and x2, y2 are the coordinates of B. Using these coordinates, we will find the length. As already I told you, you will know only the horizontal distances and the vertical distances. So now if you make a triangle, a right triangle using this, what I will do, I will just draw a line here and I just draw a line here Okay. So even if you don't know, no need to take this, and you will be getting a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. A, B, let us say this is C. In this right angle triangle, AC is horizontal distance and BC is vertical distance. Horizontal distance, vertical distances, I told you, you can easily learn, you find from the vertical distance. So now BC is nothing but this one. So this distance is, I already told you, y2 minus y1. Because from 0 to here y2 units, and from this y1 units, this is to be removed from the entire thing. If you take a numerical example, you can easily understand. This is 10 units, for example, and this is say 6 units. So now till here 6 units and till here 10 units. If you remove this 10 minus 6 will become this between these 2 points. So if you don't understand how you got y2 minus y1, better take numerical values, so then you will understand. So now this is y2 minus y1. y2 minus y1. So this vertical distance we got it. Then how to find out the horizontal distance? Again from here, this part is x1 and this part is x2 and this is x2 minus x1 and this is also x2 minus x1. Now we have got horizontal distance also. So because this is horizontal distance and this is vertical distance, then ABC is a right angle triangle. So in this we know AC is equal to how much? x2 minus x1, and BC we know y2 minus y1. Now we have to find out AB. Our target is also to find out AB. Okay. So you can use the Pythagoras theorem. Whenever there is a right angle triangle, you can use Pythagoras theorem. I'll recall you what is the Pythagoras theorem. In short, hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. That means the square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of squares of the other two sides. So you should know what is a hypotenuse. Some students do not know what is a hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is nothing but the side opposite to 90 degrees. The longest side of a right triangle or the side opposite to 90 degrees. So this is 90 degrees and the side opposite to this one, and this we call it as a hypotenuse. So this is hypotenuse and these two are this is one side and this is another side. Two sides are there. Total 3 sides. So in simple you can remember Pythagoras theorem here. Hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. Now let us, hypotenuse is nothing but AB square. So AB square is equal to one side, let us say horizontal, that is x2 minus x1 whole square, and the other side is y2 minus y1 whole square. So we want only AB, we don't want square of AB, we want only AB. So AB is equal to, if you remove the square on left hand side, it will become square root of the other side. So it will become square root. So how much? x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is the distance. So distance between 2 points A and B is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So whenever you need to find out the distance between 2 points, say this is 3 and 4 and this is 7 and 5. So these are the coordinates x1 y1, these are the coordinates x2 y2. You can easily using this like this, you can use it like a formula, x1 y1 and x2 y2. You can find out the distance between any two points which are there in a coordinate plane. I hope you have understood. See you in my next video.